You are a smart, sensitive business professional, excellent at what you do, but you'd rather have teeth pulled than speak in meetings and presentations. And now you're in a position where you have to do it. Is this you? If you have ever struggled with any of the following, feeling overwhelmed with public speaking anxiety, freezing and going blank when you're unprepared to speak, avoiding public speaking whenever possible, turning down opportunities to speak that would have advanced your career, or being passed over for promotions to someone less qualified, then Easy Path to Public Speaking Workshop is for you. Easy Path to Public Speaking provides a simple step-by-step approach to learn to feel at ease being yourself, speaking to groups, even if you've been terrified of public speaking. It gives you some powerful tools to calm your nerves, think clearly, and flow your speech in meetings and presentations, to help you get over fear of public speaking and get on with influencing, impacting, and leading. Hi, I'm Sandra Zimmer. I've coached thousands of leaders and experts to transform public speaking fears and anxiety. And I promise you, it's easy to learn an approach to public speaking because I did it. The one thing that I know for sure is that even if you have public speaking anxiety, you have the potential to become a star at speaking. I've seen so many participants in my courses who had excruciating public speaking fears transform into speaking stars right before our very eyes. And you can be the next star in your organization. Let me guide you through it. I invite you to join me in a small group setting from the comfort of your own home for a 4-hour Easy Path to Public Speaking workshop live on Zoom. You'll learn my top technique that reduces public speaking anxiety in minutes, my proven strategy that gets you present and in the moment, to unfreeze the tension and get positive energy flowing, the simple words that free you to be authentic, and finally to just be yourself. This is not the usual mechanical public speaking or presentation skills training. It goes beyond those usual speaking tips and techniques. It is a hands-on, transformational experience that in baby steps releases what's been holding you back so you feel free to speak and shine. Imagine being the speaker that holds people's attention. Imagine being so comfortable that you can speak from your heart. Imagine being the speaker that makes people say, wow. It's time to unlock your mind and your body and discover your natural ability to express yourself authentically to groups so you can speak from your zone of brilliance. Please join me in the Easy Path to Public Speaking workshop. I'd love to help you shine.